power fails. We don't. RefurbUPS.com. We deliver. Guaranteed.
First, unplug the AC power. Next, remove the front cover. Then, unplug the battery. Remove the old battery. Unplug the wire. Insert new battery. Finally, reattach the front cover. Done.
Protect your systems and data with a UPS solution from RefurbUPS.com. Order
online today or call us toll-free at 1-866-883-9200. Feel free to watch our other how-to videos and don't hesitate to contact us for questions or concerns.